Hi there, welcome to Sea Smoke. Today we're going to take another look at the Oklahoma Joe's grill torch. We like your charcoal. And we also going to see what'll cook light faster, the torch or the chimney. Let's see what happens. Okay, again, this is the Oklahoma Joe's Blacksmith grill torch. You pick these up, Academy, Amazon, probably Walmart if you look, Lowe's, most of any place that sells barbecue stuff. But anyway, it works pretty good. I've been using it now for 10 months. I actually got a previous video that, got decent views on it, for a small channel like we are. But with the torch, it's real simple to operate. You got your on-off valve right here. It also will adjust how much fire or how much gas shoots out the front, out of the nozzle end of it, to adjust your temperature. Now I'm not real 100% sure how hot the tip will get, but here in just a minute, you'll get to see it in action. This is your valve for turning it on and off. And this is your igniter switch right here. I mean, it's a real simple, easy to operate unit. You have to buy your propane tank separate, just simple 1 pound propane bottles. And again, it's not a whole lot to it, real simple, easy to use. And again, I've been using it for 10 months. I've had real good luck with it. And I've just been real curious, what would be faster, the torch or the chimney? Let's see what happens. Okay, for our charcoal today, we're going to be using Kingsford Original. I'm going to use the chimney as a measuring device to start with, so I get equal amounts in both in my smoker and in the chimney. This in the Oklahoma Joe smoker here. I'm going to get this stacked up so it actually burn better. Okay. Now let's fill the chimney up one more time. Now we may not be dead on, even dead on after see how I got them filled, but it'll work. Alright, to light our chimney, we're going to be using tumbleweed. Kingsford tumbleweed, they work real good. What we're going to do, we'll place these two on the grate. Light both up. Hopefully I don't catch my dog on fire here. Alright, we got that going. Let that burn a second. Fire up the torch. Got that going. Now, let's see what happens. Set this on there. We're going to crank up the temperature on this torch. And let's see what happens. Well, we have to run this torch for about a minute or so to get the coal good lit. You're going to want to shoot towards the center of the pile. Yeah, I know I'm moving around. the getting a little bit of white on the tip from the Oklahoma Joe here. And I'm going to keep this on this one. And we're getting everything. And make sure it's burning good, and then we'll let those on two go, and we'll see which one is ready to sit back on. Woo! Let's get down a little more. Yeah, I definitely got something burning good in there now. So we're going to give this, time to get both the sets of coals lit up. We'll see which one is ready to go first. It's been probably about 10-15 minutes or so, maybe. And as of right now, it's looking like the Chimney might be winning this race. We're getting pretty good white ash in the smoker here, but as you can see, not quite all of the coals have been lit up down there. Now, maybe if I would have ran the torch on it a little bit longer and heated all of them up, maybe. But look at the chimney. You can see the white ash is right below the top here. I mean, it is getting real close to cresting the top of the chimney here, and it's getting a lot of smoke in my eyes right now, so it's definitely doing something. But yeah, it's looking like the chimney might win out on this one. To do this little experiment, it took around 30 minutes for both of them to get up to where I wanted it. You know, get the good hot white ash look to them. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and call this race. I mean, it's pretty close. I mean, they're basically running neck and neck here on, you know, hot ash and ready to cook on. So, let's get a look. Let you take a look. This is the chimney, as you can see. It's pretty well ready to go. I mean, throw that down and you can grill some steaks on that. Here is the Oklahoma Joe smoker where we use the torch to light it. And, you know, won't be much longer, and yeah, you can pretty much go ahead and start cooking now if you want to on there. I mean, for the most part, they are both ready to go. So, with that being said, I think the clear winner here, neither. I mean, my honest opinion is it's a tie. And, yeah, like I said, clear winner to me is honestly probably just a tie because they both look equal to me. I mean, close enough. You can cook over either one. And, yeah, again, that is a Oklahoma Joe's propane torch. You know, pick you one up if you want to. Not really necessarily, that just test to me kind of shows, you know, you get the same results using the chimney. You know, $20 versus, you know, $40, you know, right out. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, got you a little bit of information on this. Like I said, I'll post a link to my original video on this, and also I'm gonna get this set up. I'm gonna grill me up a couple steaks. We're gonna make a steak quesadilla. I got a short video for that. I'll also post a link to that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.